this video, we will show you how to copy a sections in Squarespace website. First, we need to go to our website configuration. To copy a section, it's very easy. For example, we want to go to some page, and because there is beautiful section in here, and we want to copy or duplicate this section, you can just click edit and hover on your section, and we will appear editable icon like this, and you can click this duplicate and your section will copy one. Voila, now you have two sections in here. Okay, then you can change the content if you need. And that's all tutorial how to copy a section in Squarespace website.